Hello everybody and welcome to Preston Lodge's first ever online virtual assembly. I hope you and all your family are keeping well. A massive thank you to all the key workers in our community and the staff who have been making visors and scrubs to support them, and the community themselves who have been supporting that work through our Just Giving page. It's been great. And a big thanks too to our students who have really done well with home learning. I hope you got last week's update on how we're doing things now, and we'll be in touch soon about the new timetable. I really want to just finish by saying one thing that I would always say at an assembly. So, do the right thing. And thank you for having done the right thing so far. It's been great. And now we've got, as our main assembly item, a wee belter for you. So we'll be back soon, stronger, better than we already were. And until then, keep safe.
It is a lockdown, different from before. Dinny have a party and Dinny cross your door. It is a lockdown, cause Corona's in the place. Cough into your elbow and Dinny touch your face. It is a lockdown.
It is a lockdown, so thank the NHS. Thank all our key workers getting us all through this mess. You with some pasta on your visit to the shops where you'll keep your social distance or someone will call the cops. It is a lockdown.
No happy ending unless a vaccine does come through, cause the testing is a nightmare and the schools are all closed too. But Google Classroom will sort our pupils' needs and they'll all social distance with home learning in their heats.
It is a lockdown.
It is a lockdown.
It is a lockdown, take your exercise. Don't stockpile toilet paper, just laugh at Donald's lies. It is a lockdown, so do not drink the bleach. Listen to our Nicola and our Jason Leach. It is a lockdown.
No happy ending, the economy's screwed too. This virus is a nightmare, but what else can you do but Google Classroom? We'll sort out people's needs and they'll all social distance with home learning in their heat. It is a lockdown. It is a lockdown.
Oh, that was beautiful, beautiful.
I didn't like it. I loved it.
Bad.